Difference between the PAL version and NTSC of the Commodore 64. We're going to show it via an emulator that's a little bit more up to date. I'm going to go ahead and load the Planet X2 file. I want to make it bigger so y'all can see what I'm actually doing while it's loading the program into memory. This one is currently playing in the NTSC, 65 cycles per raster. You can hear how it sounds. And I changed it to PAL. You can hear the difference in the actual music being played. And also the graphics changed too because of the type. That's the way that particular one goes. Thank you for watching.